Welcome. We were talking about how ChatGPT can be used to generate SQL queries, and we created first one such database. The query for that was generated by ChatGPT. Then we created one such table named Spain Football League. And then we even populated that table with certain records. We checked in our last lecture that whether it is working properly or not. Okay. So, yes, it is working and our table is correctly populated. Now, let us move further. So I want to add a new column, age. So I asked ChatGPT that create code to add one more column, player age, in above table, Spain Football League. And it not only gave the code for creating extra column, so that is the well-known alter table command, but it also gave the code for populating that extra column using a formula. Okay. Now there is some small problem, though the formula will work, but there is some small issue with the correctness of this formula. So that is the reason why one should never believe anything in ChatGPT. So I leave it to my students to find what is the problem with this particular formula. Okay. And that is the reason why ChatGPT is a general purpose chatbot, but one should use special chatbots which are designed for coding purpose that are Microsoft Copilot, GitHub Copilot, then Codex, etc. Okay. So first let me add one column. And the column has been added successfully because the command executed without any error. And now in same prompt, as a result of same prompt, though I just asked it to give prompt for adding the age, ChatGPT understood the context and it also gave me the code for set populating that column. Let us see if it correctly populates or not. So yes. Now let us check if that column is generated and properly populated. And you can see this is the code. Fine. Okay. Now let us continue our SQL practice. But enough of age and players and all. Let us create another table. Only this much I will use. Generate TSQL code to create a table named full name with three columns, first name, last name, and full name. Okay. So in ChatGPT, I am requesting ChatGPT that please generate the code. And this is the table full name, first name, last name, full name. Let us try to create that table. Yes, the table is successfully created. However, remember it is just a, schema of the table or empty table in common language. Now I am asking ChatGPT, please populate above table with 10 records for first name and last. And it has given me this thing. And let us see if the table is correctly populated or not. So the table name is full name. So I say select star from full name. Rest of the things I simply delete. And let us execute. And you can see that I just populated with first name and last name. But since the schema was defined in this manner, full name is first name plus a space plus last name. So that means when you give first and last name, you are already giving indirectly the full name. So that's why it correctly populated with first, last, and full name. Okay. Thank you.